Good morning, here at another job site. What I got to do is I got to clear 2 acres here and make some driveways. And this is where I have found myself. Extremely tight area. I had to drive my machine all the way down, probably half a mile. Here it is here. So, because there's already a lot across from this lot, I'm going to put the entrance right here just for making life easier to be able to turn and deal with trucks. And I'm going to make a real wide entrance. The ground's kind of sloped. It's quite a steep slope all the way back to the back of the property. Anyways, I'm going to get myself in and start. A lot of trees. To deal with all this because the access here with a dump is pretty tight. Push them down the tree line here. I don't want anything snapped back on me. Then I'm going to have to clear a spot. I think I'm going to have to clear a spot off to the right and start stacking back there. And there's no way you can even have a dump truck sitting on this road because there's people that live down here. It's cottages, people are renting. So I can't even load from here, even to get rid of this stuff, which would be ideal. Alright, making some progress. I found a spot down here at the back. I'm going to clear out and then I'm going to start hauling stuff down, stacking it all in behind here, and then we'll be able to have it treed in the front so it'll hide all this junk. So I just got to make some room so I can get in here. And I got some trees that are leaning against some of the ones that I got to bring down, so I got to chainsaw them down. I got to get behind them first and then just chainsaw them. They're all hung up, but I'm going to get in, clear a patch just so I can start placing some of these trees, make a little more room. I'm going to get jimmy-jammed up here with trees right along the tracks. You can't pick anything up, it's so close to you. Got myself a spot for all the trees now, and I'm going to take what I've cleared and put them right out here as far as I can reach, and then I'm going to push them down the hill and then I'm going to stack them. And then when I'm done with however full it and how many trees it takes, the homeowner only has to plant some trees right there just to block it all off from view. I think it'll work out great. Plus his home's going to be down further, or cottage, or whatever it is. Oh yeah, never seen that before. The excavator, but I'm thinking about bringing the backhoe when I do come back for full, when I'm going to be here full time. Lay down. We're going to stack this pretty high. This could barber chair on me. Yeah, see, it wants to split. Get a rest with the machine. This is what I got done today. So right there is a property marker there, and I think I'm going to take this row and the next row. One, two, three. I like to leave them 3 rows from the line, I guess, just so they have those nice pine tree rows. Take that down, and then we'll start working on these. Slow trying to get in today, and then getting all that crap down there. And then I got to get the driveway widened, probably from to that birch, that little birch there, right there, to this birch. That would be nice. I don't know, the birch might have to go, or come down here. Actually, you know what? I'm going to come down this further. It's a little flatter. That's kind of steep right there, so Yeah, I'm going to take out this and make the driveway really wide. And then we're going to continue on for, I don't know, a lot of trees there. So I'll be here for half a day tomorrow, Saturday, and then half a day on Sunday. Then I need the machine to start a mulching job for probably a week or so. And then I'll be back full time here.